You are going to love the 2018 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.